Hey guys, welcome back to another devlog. So I haven't gotten much done, but I'm just gonna show what I have and talk about some plans for later. So I was making a business tycoon, and I don't think I explained in the last episode. This is really gonna be like a tech tycoon, I guess. So you make technology. So let's show some of the changes that I made. Name, company, create. There's a new product button. So if you click this, you can see you have hardware you can create and software. So there's gonna be levels. So for example, you start at software level 0 and hardware level 1, and this is your goal to get software level 1, and you need to upgrade your level to get more, to unlock more things to make. And so if you go here, you can type in random stuff, I don't know, and just like specify some details, but I haven't put too much. So that's what I've done so far. Now, for plans, I'm probably gonna make like 3 or 4 more devlogs where I just like finish some other stuff, and then I'll like put the game on itch.io, but I'm still gonna be working on it. This is just really an early test version because there's a lot more stuff. But yeah, so that's it for this devlog. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.